Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change your two-step verification PIN on WhatsApp. Maintaining account security is essential, and updating your PIN provides better protection. Follow these simple steps to complete the process. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After opening the WhatsApp application on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see 3 dots that you will click on. Then when a small window appears, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a drop-down menu will open where you will look for the Account option and then click on it. The application will open the following page where you will also look for the two-step verification option in the drop-down menu and click on it. A new page will open where you will see the option to change your PIN and click on it. From here, the process is pretty much the same as when you first added your PIN, entering a new 6-digit number and then confirming that same number. Once confirmed, your new PIN is set, and that's it. You have successfully changed your PIN for two-step verification on WhatsApp. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more security settings to protect your account.